Hi there, how's it going? This is Adhere here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete WhatsApp chat backup file in Google Drive easily, step by step. Welcome back. So first of all, you head on to your Google Drive app, open it, it's in here. Great. Next you head on to the three lines at the top in here and select backups. Here all your backups will be featured. If you want to set up a new backup for your device, you can just select it from here. If you want to delete backups, as it is our case in here, so as you can see here we have a backup for our last WhatsApp backup. This will back up the photos, videos, audio and documents. When you change your device, you can restore them when you reinstall the WhatsApp app. Great, hit got it and select the three dots in here. From there you have two options: you turn off backup or you delete backup. Turn off backup. This will stop backing up WhatsApp, chat and media for all the device, and cancel the permission that you have given to the app to start backing your chat history and files. Cancel this. What we need to do is just to delete it for good, and we'll upload a new one, as this is an outdated. Hit delete, and voila, your WhatsApp history is deleted. So this brings us to the end. For more details, check the links below. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tech reviews, tips and tutorials. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, this is Izzeddin. Stay curious and stay techy. Peace.